Hi, this is Dr. Pramila Kudwa. I had a session with teachers a couple of days ago on essentials of a joyful classroom. Some of the highlights of the session I'm presenting herein for you to see. If you want me to take a session for your team, do get in touch with me. My contact details are available at the end of the video. We discussed the need for the preparation of a lesson, importance of delivery, and how to gauge the involvement and learning of the students. We deliberated on a classroom management plan. We came up with a profound statement: meet Maslow's hierarchy before teaching Bloom's taxonomy. Finally, we listed out the elements of effective communication, which are absolutely critical. Finally, here are my contact details. Do get in touch with me. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed listening in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.